So if them did go on a Perth road, if them did go look on a Perth road, as she claim, and a camera did see him, of course they would have seen him going on car.
Of course.
And then that now would have taken the whole of the attention out of them. If you couldn't see that car. Because the car with them used was a car from off a car mart lot. So the car was not their personal car, it was a car that was meant to sell. So when them do what them do, bring back the car chances of the car would have sell long time. So that the car they know would never be found. Because let's say the police then did see the car on the camera, and then one man from Clarendon by the car. Right?
Yeah.
And the police then start, the man must say, hi, I can't this a car, come go buy my car for one car lot. And I Clarendon, me leave, me have nothing to do with Manchester, so I'm not going to come tell me about to see the car down there pick up people. And this a car.
Sure.
And Jamaica don't stay like Europe, because in Europe, a car have one number plate until it goes to the scrapyard. In Europe, you don't change the number plate them on the car. The same number plate that the car come with, I hit the car if you dead with. So therefore, even if them they put on a different number plate, if you go pick him up, they could have just take a number plate and dash you where they done, because a garage make number plate. Nobody can make any number plate.
Okay.
So you can just build up a number plate.
Okay. Can you put
that number plate, put it back.
Look on that person in the comment section. In a comment section, I ask, "Oh, you know him?" Say that true. Oh, you know all that.
So, oh, you know all of that.
Yeah, sure. Oh, you know. What you mean? Oh, we know. Eh? If they communicate, give information. What you mean?
But listen, let me tell you something. Watch out.
No, you know.
No, man, hear me now. Don't stop what Mary. This is what I don't stop we don't need to forget the social media bug, guys. Because we don't have it. When people there is for some decent topic, there's some grass might that come in. Don't stop me, pa. Me not see grass might. You don't see enough of grass might. So when you see a comment in the comment section, if the moderator not feel like it miserable fishy, if the moderator get it out, make them run. When me attack, don't stop me for bringing grass might. Because I have never, since Jayden case I go on, I have never said somebody connect to the family that I want him to tell them something. You see, any keyboard warrior who come in my live stream, remember me tell you, so don't you know if you frighten and this me, you can't frighten me. Everybody's supposed to know me on the app. You can't, no boy or girl can't frighten me on the app. And them are going to jail. 1-1, they are going to jail. Because me are sending to give them. And when I record, me just text in the comment and say, if I record, me you know what to go tell them. Say, them are going to jail. And it's as simple as that. They are going to jail. It's so simple, you just don't know me, say you can't. No boy for internet can't bully me. No boy or girl for internet can't bad me up. No guy.
No, it's in the background because you're walking outside right now.
And the thing what I'm telling you, with someone who pagan, we have little free data, when the data soon done. Let me tell you what I'm to someone who know. Before you come out here, and I know say there's in the whole system we are going. Whether people that tell lie on the family or people that tell truth on the family, you know say one victim in this thing here. One dege victim. So when someone look a grass might come out with a little I only even have gigabyte of data. I don't have no look at megabyte of data and come out here and type and a big keyboard warrior. When if you go and go look some ton camel if you name, because I'm not hungry. You understand? And all of the people when I say I defend these wicked, evil bastard people them. Right? You know I defend. Let me tell you something. You say me I want principal. Let me tell you this something old grass mate. You say if me I want principal, I want picnic content in life and you just get where you don't get, because I believe where picnic say. Until you can prove it otherwise.
Exactly.
So when you see a little 12-year-old picnic just walk out of school and poof and disappear, and you can come question things with the people ask about the family them. Or you can show no. Them say show me your company and I tell you who you are. That means to say me a no grass might not far. A long time me a travel star. And me a come from far. That's why me not look no war. You a scuminar.
God help me.
You understand where I come from? So you gotta come and ask me if me know. I am not Mystic Meg. I am not Martin Luther King. So somebody have to tell me. And if somebody tell me something that makes sense, I am going to go and tell it to my friends and my colleagues across the internet and the media. You vex about that? Go and buy yourself some credit and your credit soon run out. And you have no more credit left. Just soon hear that. And you have no more credit left.
Of course, but of course, them spoiling.
I don't understand why these people seem to always get up in them feelings when people attack and ask for justice for this kid. Why? You know, always up and down the feelings. Me I tell you, the boy from St. Elizabeth take out the youth. And a question me ask him. And Shanice know about it. And them I know about it. And our brother from Spanish Town know about it. The crocodile find out late, but she know about it. You understand what I say? And a question me ask you know. And a question me ask you know. Tell me I tell you no. Like when Mr. T say, I don't ask you know. I tell me I tell you no. Hey, come on, man.
What did you say? What's this 1 year? And you look for that. Let me ask you after that. How old is that? Let me say 21.
Lord of it, mercy. If it took bad to make laugh. So you get name already?
Huh?
You get name already?
Yeah. Yeah, so I put out 2 letters and I comment on the people and spell out the whole of the name.
One. Hey.
Now I have a picture of Tammy leaving our house the morning.
Okay.
Friday morning. I'm a picture of the grass mine.
Okay.
No, that me.
Wow. I know the mercy.
Your mom's can put her hands on a boy child. That's right. You know what I mean?
Well, if you know if you read well, you can.
Alright.
I'm telling you something. Some of these grass might them not have a sense. Yeah? You see F me. F me.
Move, man, move.
Guys, I'm going left on the 8:30 now. tell you something. You see, if somebody come out and I make them strong accusation against me, we no business. We have to come out and defend it. We have to come out. 6 hours. Yeah, I give them 46 hours to respond. Yeah, 46 hours. Them I get to respond. That me I try to tell them right now.
That information.
Yeah. Listen, want everybody to tag JCF. JCF?
Sit down now.
Let me see. Yeah, JCF.
Want everybody to tag them. Every single body in the live tag them.
They can tag from here, so.
I mean, I don't know, but we have to get a hold of them by any means necessary.
No, but we have some use that. Tag them.
Yeah, let me tell you something. I have the photo of the woman I left here the morning. And I have photo of the old grass mate boy. So that's why I'm asking you say if they can warrant DNA test and so. So me need to speak to we know about rules, laws and regulation, because a DNA test would have put everybody in a sweatbox right now, but I wonder if the judge can summons it. So
if that's needed, I think they can do that.
So I need to talk to a police or a prosecutor from Jamaica right now. So anybody can, I have a police on our name, I got email him. Yeah, I got email my brother on my own space. So if him tell me say yes, we can work. I have some more information now. I don't want to drop them yet. I don't want to drop them info there yet. I want to make sure say it's secure, and because right now they're going to rush to start doing things, you know.
Of course.
But I have the picture with Tommy, so I don't know how Tommy I got clean up that.
Hey, you asked a question if they can request DNA. Yes, they can. Yes, if the judge sees needed, they can request it.
Alright.
No, sir, that one.
Or if it's that to prove a point or to prove something, yes, they can.
Sit down.
So what's his name?
Man.
So when the crocodile start to hear this and now, you know, anyone she there, she a pick fire now, you know. They hear that?
Jamaica.
Yep. She's gonna push her back her friend tonight.
Yeah.
Papa.
Alright, ever watch Law and Order until when they rape?
I mean, no, say, right now, they would find them with the story. Me and them.
Oh man, Jesus.
Me and one of this area. Me and one of this area.
Look how it looks. At one time.
Charmian, is it Charmian?
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good morning, Charmaine. And how are you doing on this beautiful, lovely Thursday morning?
I'm okay. I'm in Jamaica, really. So it's afternoon for me.
Oh, yeah? I'm in Australia.
Oh, yeah, in Australia.
Yeah.
You know, I just come back from Jamaica Sunday.
Oh my God.
So, what's your input and the output we have here, Charmaine?
Well, actually, I was invited by well, I saw her doing live because she always come to my live, and I'm a farmer from St. Elizabeth, and I heard you talking about St. Elizabeth. But I'm a farmer, and that is what I do. And then I saw her break the silence because she always comes to my live. You know, I saw her on live, and I decided to come and listen to her and to
So, do you know anything about the Jayden Smith case?
I heard over the news, but I don't.
Oh, okay. So basically, what we are doing here, yes, we are advocating for missing children, missing men, missing women. We are just saying we want a safer and a better society for us as human beings. And it is more worse when it's a trust or loved one put you in one place where you can't find. So a lot of people might say that's our business, but every missing person is our business. Yeah.
Tell you, I didn't know how I get up in the box because I was tapping the screen, so maybe I had to
Sit down and see what says, man.
for invite, you know. I saw you accepted it. I was trying to decline it, but then I said, you know what, let me accept and
No man, it's fine. Cause me nice and me nice bad. So you probably want to come look closer to come look at me. Me nice bad. It's very nice. You see me? You see me face?
I hardly see you because you're moving about on the screen.
Picture there when it be small.
So I'm business that comes fast and that's why all you know see me I'm business that comes fast and a person.
No, I don't. No, I'm not that kind of person. I'm not.
I'm business that comes fast.
No, man, I wouldn't do that. Because if I wanted to do that, I wouldn't try to live. I would listen.
Sky says it's noisy. Yes, it's noisy when Tiger is going around and looking after his little birdies and stuff. So that's why it's noisy.
What's that noisy?
This person, Sky.
Oh?
Sky.
Sky, come here. Come here, Sky. Go over there so go face the wall. Go over there so. Oh, are you? Oh, you're lucky, sir. You're lucky, sir, you know. Oh. Maybe that time I make me nice.
Tiger business.
Let me tell you something, you know. Can't tell you something. You see how me not like talk? You know why she started chatting, you know. Oh.
Tiger teach you well.
Me can't tell you that. You know why she started chatting, me love.
Oh Lord.
Hey. Well, let me mute out. Let me mute, guys. Let me mute. I want to go on till me done. I want like Jan Habit.
Yes, it's John Abbott.
Oh, I lady was in name.
That's connecting. Oh,
She not connected.
John.
Joan she name or Jan?
No, John.
Jan? Joan Jan?
You might mute. Okay,
You might mute. Laura.
I'm just listening.
So you can say hello.
Hi, I'm just listening. Sir, how you guys do?
There you go.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm just listening. I'm just listening to the information, you know, because I want the boy to be coming home, and I'm so worried about this little boy.
Oh, yeah, listen to my business.
Yes, man, me want to hear about Jayden, man. Me listen every program for Jayden, man. Me want to hear Jayden. Me want to hear about Jayden, man. Me want somebody criminal and forget to read that. They broke them recognize the boy, the innocent picnic. You want to get rid of them.